weird, so I'm checking out its CPU. CPU? Okay, little Miss Techie, what's that? It's like the computer's brain. It sends signals that tell the computer how to act, just like our brain sends electrical impulses through our nervous system that tell us how to behave. Electrical impulses? Mia, we're not robots. I know we're not robots, Zoe. We're vertebrates. We have a brain that's part of our nervous system. The nervous system controls all the actions of our body. And it shoots electricity through us to do that. Let me explain. There are things called stimuli all around us that cause our body to act certain ways. We can see, touch, smell, taste, and hear stimuli. Yeah. Whether it's heat from a fire or the taste of a cupcake, the nervous system has two main parts that help us understand how to act and move according to the stimuli. The two parts of the nervous system are called the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, so where's the brain belong? The brain and the spinal cord make up the central nervous system. Different parts of the brain help us do different things. The brain has parts? Okay, this is getting complicated. The brain is the most complicated organ we have. It has three parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem and medulla. The cerebrum is the biggest part. It controls our senses, our thoughts, and our imagination. Is that the part of your brain that'll help you fix your computer? Yeah, and if I learn anything new, that'll be my cerebellum at work. It's known as the little brain and helps us move and learn new skills, like figuring out a new song on your guitar. It coordinates your skeletal muscles too. Cool. What's the last part do? Last, but definitely not least, are the brainstem and the medulla. They work as a team and are connected to the spinal cord. The brainstem and the medulla control things like our heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, and digestive system. Sheesh, what's left for the other half of the nervous system to do? The the peripheral nervous system? Yeah, it sounds like the brain's already got it all covered. No way. The central nervous system might control all of our actions, but it's got to have a way to deliver its message. That's where the peripheral nervous system comes in. The brain sends out instructions, and your body sends information back along your nerves. Is this where the electrical impulses come in? Yep. All nerves are made up of nerve cells, called neurons, that transmit messages throughout the body. Each neuron has three parts: a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. The cell body is the core. The dendrites take in the electrical impulses to the cell body. Axons carry the impulse away from the cell body. So, dendrites equal doorway, and axons equal exit. Yeah, and it doesn't stop there. The impulse keeps moving nerve to nerve, jumping from one axon across a tiny gap called a synapse to the next dendrite. Wow, so the pulses just travel all over the place like crazy? Well, there's a little bit of method to the madness. There are two types of nerves, central and motor. Central nerves carry information to the central nervous system, and motor nerves carry info from the central nervous system to other parts of the body. Whoa, pretty cool. Thanks to the nervous system, we can understand and react to stimuli and move the way we should. Our nervous system's got two parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral is all of our nerves. Together, they keep us moving and grooving. Okay, my friend. Looks like you got the message.